Alright, so first things first, I am priming with my Emani Perfect 10 Primer Serum. I love this stuff because it's super moisturizing and it helps to hold your makeup on all day. And then I'm going to go in with my IT Cosmetics CC Cream. This is like the perfect shade for me, so I've been using this a lot lately, but I also like that it has SPF in it, so it helps to protect your skin against the sun and all that good stuff, especially in spring when you're going outside more. Once I have that on, I'm going to go in and conceal with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I'm going to put this strictly in the inner corner, and then I'm going to apply a little bit of my L'Oreal Pro Glow Concealer on the outer corner. I'm mixing these together to get the right shade, and then I'm just going to blend that out. Since I am very fair, I'm going to be using my Chanel Cream Bronzer. I'm just going to apply this on the perimeters of my face. So I'm going to put it onto my temples, my cheekbones, and also down my jawline. But I'm just going to set my under eye with my Too Faced Peach Perfect Setting Powder. This stuff is amazing. It just does such a beautiful job at blurring the skin. I'm going to go over that Chanel Cream Bronzer with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is the glowy one, so it's in the shade Brazilian Glow. I love it so much. It is so beautiful. I'm going in with my Fierce Blush by Morphe and just applying that to the apples of my cheeks, kind of above my bronzer. And then I'm picking up my Mary-Lou Highlighter by theBalm because I really wanted a bright highlight. Now I am just going to fill in my brows really quickly. You guys have seen that a million and one times. And I'm going to move on to priming my eyes. I am going to be using the P. Louise Eyeshadow Base. I am so excited to use this stuff. It is amazing. I love it so much. I'm picking up my Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette, taking the shade Oh Hello. I am pushing that in my crease to create that definition for that cut crease. And then blending it out with no additional shadow, and once I'm happy with that, I'm picking up the shade Lolli Momma and I'm using that to blend out that Oh Hello shade. I'm just taking my time to really make sure that I'm creating a nice blend before going in with the shade Positivity, which is just a little bit more of a peachy shade, right on top of that Lolli Momma shade. Now I'm just removing the excess shadow on my lid before cutting my crease with the P. Louise Acid Rain and Mama Mitchell collaboration with the blank canvas paint. This is basically going to cut my crease. What is so great about these paints is that they set right in place, so you don't have to set them. They are so incredible. I love them so much. But I'm just going to be going in with the Oh Hello shade again, bringing that back onto my lid, blending that out. Then I'm going in with the shade Positivity and Lolli Momma. I just wanted to mix these together because I really like the shade that they created together, because alone the Positivity was too peachy and the Lolli Momma was a little too pink. Now you can see I'm just reincorporating those shades that I used on the lid and in the crease on that lower lash line area to really bring everything together. I'm just going from light to dark, keeping it darkest closest to my waterline and lighter as I blend out. I'm using my Colourpop liner in the shade Piggy. It's just a beautiful purple liner before going in with the shade Oh Hello again on my lash line. You can totally use a liner for this, but I just wanted to go with the matte shadow today. I've been loving all matte looks. I'm just highlighting my brow bone and my inner corner because that really makes all the difference. Now I'm curling my lashes and prepping them for falsies using my Damn Girl Mascara by Too Faced. I'm using my Butte Lashes by Tracey Cosmetics. Now I'm just finishing off the eyes with some mascara before applying my Colourpop lipstick in the shade Hard On.